This is the power of computer graphics.
When Steven Spielberg was about to release the first Jurassic Park movie, the idea was to use the animatronics and stop motions for the dinosaurs. However, when Spielberg saw the results for the dinosaurs using computer graphics, he decided to change everything almost immediately. According to Spielberg himself,
but I'll never forget the time that Dennis brought the first test down. I've never seen movements this smooth outside of looking at National Geographic documentaries.
From the 90s until nowadays, technology and computer graphics evolved a lot, making movies and games way more realistic, and some of them not so realistic.
If you are interested in learning more about CGI and computer graphics, there are some interesting tools for you to take a look at. Cinema 4D and Autodesk Maya. These tools are used in Hollywood-level productions to make realistic CGI and professional animations, like Spider-Man in the Spider-Verse, which used Autodesk Maya to do it. DreamWorks released its own animation tool called Moonray on GitHub for anyone to use it, which was used in some of their animations like How to Train Your Dragon. I'm going to leave the GitHub link for the tool in the comment section for you to take a look at and do your own experiments. Unreal Engine is a game engine tool, but it also evolved dramatically, especially on version 5, to make realistic scenarios where some studios had been using it to create realistic footage for their productions. Blender is a free, open-source tool that has seen significant evolution in recent years. It empowers the community to create stunning, realistic animations and visual effects. Thanks to continuous improvement and a vibrant user base, Blender has become a go-to solution for professional quality content creation. From intricate 3D modeling and sculpting to a comprehensive animation and rendering capabilities, Blender offers a robust suite of tools that cater to both beginners and seasoned professionals. And that's pretty much it. I hope you liked it,
and I see you in the next time.